Hi guys, welcome to our trick day. Today I have two brain breaks for you guys, two puzzles for you to try and solve. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to solve them and then I'll give you the answer so that you guys can go and try and trick your friends. Now the first one, you need 10 coins. I've got $1 coins. You can use any coins you want. You can use anything that you might find in your backyard or in your house, okay? What you need to do, you are going to set up your coins or whatever you're going to use in the shape of an arrow. So we're going to have 4 across the back, 3 in the middle, then 2, then 1. So as you can see, my arrow is facing straight ahead, okay? Now, what you are going to do, you have 3 coins to move. You can only move 3 coins and you need to try and turn the arrow around the other way so it's pointing in the opposite direction, okay? You can move 3 coins and you need to try and flip the arrow so it's facing the other way. Off you go. Alrighty, did you work out how to do it? If you didn't, let me show you. Now the first coin you are going to move, our back right coin is going to move up 2 places. Next coin, the back left coin is going to move up 2 places. Then the last coin we can move is the top one, and we're going to go right round and put it at the other end. So now you can see my arrow is facing the other way. Now this trick is really cool because you can get it to face left or right as well. Now, as you can see, my arrow is also facing that way, and it is also facing that way. So when you move your coins, you can move them whichever way you like to get them facing the other way. So try this with your friends, see if they can get it, see if your family understands the trick. Remember, 3 coins and you can only move 3 of the 10 coins to try and flip the arrow the other way. Now we are going to move on to another game now. So I'm going to move our coins out of the way, flip our piece of paper over, and what you need to do is you are going to go and collect sticks. So I've got my sticks already collected here. Just nice short little sticks, not too big, not too small. What you are going to do, you are going to make 3 squares. 3 squares with your sticks. Just like, add another piece of paper. Just like that. So as you can see, you have 3 squares. Now again, you are only allowed to move 3 sticks to make 1. Okay? So you can only move 3 sticks and you have 36 seconds to make 1. Did you get it? This one's a little bit tricky. I'm gonna walk you through how to do it. Now the first stick out of the 3 sticks we are going to move is this one at the bottom of our 3rd square. We're going to pick it up, we're going to turn it diagonally and put it across the middle of that square. Then we are going to take the top one away. We're going to put it straight down like that. Then we are going to, for our 3rd stick, take this one and we are going to put it here. Now, as you can see, I made the word one. Okay, so this one was a little bit tricky. I tricked you guys. Some of you may have thought I meant one big box, but when you do it, we are going to make one. The word one. So remember, 3 sticks, you're going to have 30 seconds. So when you help your friends or when you trick your friends with this, remember, you're going to use all of the sticks you found in the garden. You're going to make 3 squares and you're going to tell them to move 3 of them to create 1. Good luck and have lots of fun. Hey guys, welcome to our 0 to 60 challenge. In this challenge, you are going to have 60 seconds to stack as many cups in one big tower. Now how we're going to do it, 1 cup is going to be facing standing normally, and then you're going to put an upside down cup on top, followed by one the right way, and you're going to keep going higher and higher and higher. Now remember, please do not use glass cups, because if they knock over, we definitely don't want our cups breaking everywhere. Good luck, your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pretty wobbly. 6, that's 30 seconds. Whoa! We gotta start again, quick! 2, 3, that's 45 seconds. 10 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. How many did you guys get? I got to about 6 or 7, but mine kept falling over. Make sure you try and line them up perfectly. See how many you can get in a row. Good luck. Guys, welcome to our 10 burpee challenge. Let's see how we go.